Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So as 2023 comes to a close, I thought it might be a good idea to kind of recap some of the unreleased Defiance and YieldMax ETFs so far. Uh, Watch, as soon as I post this video, they'll probably throw something up on the SEC website, and I'll continue to kind of like dig through like the dumpsters. But there's so much good stuff coming out in 2024. It's a little hard to keep track of everything. But as always, as a disclaimer, none of these are official yet. Some of these are a little bit older than others, and there's some of these are probably still in progress. But I would say, like in general, if it has a ticker symbol, that's probably a better chance than not that it's gonna come out. I guess all we need is to kind of wait and get SEC approval. So back in November 20th, there were two ETFs from Defiance, EFAY and EEMY. And I think this is good, even though they'll probably be using the weekly options, unless by some miracle they also get zero DTE options. They'll probably be on the weekly cycle, and this will be nice for international diversification. So I'm looking forward to these guys. And then recently, around December 15th, Defiance also filed for three with no ticker symbol yet, three call spreads, zero DTEs. And then there's this mystery fund that I'm not sure because there's no ticker symbol. And to me, this looks a little. To me, it's not that interesting, but it might be good for some people. So basically, this is like a treasury fund. But the only good thing for this one is that it might use different spread strategies. So in another video, I pointed out that this might be like a Trojan horse for other goodies. And of course, I think a lot of people are looking forward to these next two. So there's YMAG. So it'll be all the Magnificent Seven ETFs that are out right now, but rolled into like one package. And then there's an even crazier one. This will be YMAX. It'll take all the existing YieldMax products all into one, and also it'll also have a future underlying ETFs as well. And speaking of which, on December 6th, this was kind of like overshadowed by the MicroStrategy ETF. This is an ultra fund where it'll be interesting, like, because this looks like it's going to be a rotation of five ETFs that might have like really high implied volatility. So I'm really looking forward to this one. I want to see like if maybe in the future prospectus, like to see how like the methodology goes. And of course, like as before, on December 7th, they mentioned that well they filed for a MSTY. Hopefully this comes out soon because right now MicroStrategy is on a tear. So hopefully this comes out sooner rather than later. Um, and then this was the older prospectus because this like AIYY is already out. So I'm wondering like what's holding up the next batch of like single stock ETFs. So we have one for Roku, Snowflake, Zoom, Adobe, Nike, Oracle, Intel, Biogen, Boeing, and Target. So I'm thinking these might just be waiting for just like the green light. Or maybe like the yield max is kind of like waiting for like the implied volatility to kind of go up for, and they'll pick like in the rank of implied volatility. That's what I'm thinking. But obviously, don't hold me to that. And then there's four uh, index-based products. So this is pretty interesting. There's like one for that'll be a K-Web competitor, one for the GDX gold miners, and one for biotech ETF, and also one for this will kind of be like their TLTW killer. But it's interesting that they put like the Y in front. So I'm wondering if there's like a TLTY that might be reserved for Defiance because there's a kind of zero DTE-ish type type of expiration cycles for TLT already. So I guess maybe I guess I don't care either one. Um, like I would like to see this product come out as well, since it's expected that interest rates will be cut in 2024. So then that means like bond prices will at least the bond prices themselves should be going up as well. And then I'm also really excited for like the new batch of inverse ETFs that are coming out. I recently made a video on that, so you can check this out at your own uh, time. But these will be good because this will help hedge like quite a few products. For example, there'll be an inverse triple QY, an inverse Tesla, inverse ARC, inverse Nvidia, inverse Coinbase, and inverse Apple. So I'm really excited for this because this is one, it's a different strategy, and one, um, this will be like a good hedge. So that means like it's almost like a YieldMax is almost like a one-stop shop now. I guess like anything else would be kind of like maybe like more index specific products. But anyway, like I'm really looking forward to see like what else they're cooking up. And just as a reminder, this is pretty funny. They still have like YieldMax merchandise like up on their website, so I guess check it out or not, depending on your taste. And I guess like my only major concern is um, this is a lot of products coming out. So I wonder like how they'll fare. If like the performance will suffer. Supposedly they're hiring more staff, but even still like it's quite a few products. And then since like there's YMAX coming out, I wonder if there will be a YMIN as well. And I'm also wondering what kind of other crypto products or maybe other individual stock products they'll have coming out. And then I'm really looking forward to see if they'll also consider like different strategies, iron condors, ratios, strangles, calendars, etc. So 2024 is looking to be a good year. Um, hopefully you guys made some money in 2023. If not, 2024 should be better. And if you could, everyone can give a like and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated because reading SEC documents is kind of grueling. And then working on major holidays like Christmas and New Year's is kind of depressing. So, any help you can give to help this channel grow, I would really greatly appreciate it. And then, of course, like I hope everyone makes some good money uh, in 2023 and obviously in 2024. So, thank you for watching and have a great one. Bye now.